You can't make it two of them feel like your wife. Remember, say with relationship come responsibilities, brother. You don't want so much responsibilities. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard. If you're new here, give me a subscribe, please. If you've been here before, you can do it from now. Just like the video while you're watching. Comment your favorite part. Let me know if you laughed at any point in time. Yeah, don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. That means share the video. Let's get it out there, guys. I'm going to 1K. Let's get me there real quick. I mean, I can only get there with the share and the support of you guys. Been appreciating it so far. So, I asked you guys on Instagram. Well, pause. If you're not following me on Instagram yet and you want to participate in our videos, because like I always ask people on Instagram suggestions and stuff like that. If you want to participate, my link from my IG is in the description. Just check it out, and it's a vibe. It's a vibe. You know the vibe. So yeah, I asked person on my Instagram what's the one thing that they think could have saved their past, well, a past or their current past relationship. You see me? So one thing that could have saved their past relationship. And I got some pretty interesting questions. Not questions, answers. I got some pretty interesting answers. Because I remember when I did do the other video. What's the video I did? I did the what is the video name?
Much later.
Oh, tips for going on a date. Duh. I did the tips for going on a date video, and I'm just letting you know how to keep that date. But I don't want you guys to take it from me. You see me? So I asked person on my Instagram what they think could have saved their relationship, and these are the things you should do or consider doing if you want keep your spouse. You see me? Number one, be more honest. You see me? So if the person did be more honest, them would have still in them last relationship. So a tip from my followers is to be more honest. Next, should have loved him less. Sounds stupid, but loving him less could have solved a lot and prevented more. So what I'm getting from this is that you should love your partner less in order to save the relationship.
You better move.
Alright. I'll just start from now. Take them here with a grain of salt. If you want to love your partner less, love your partner less. I feel like I get what this person was saying, but hey, them know, right? Them know. I feel them relationship, them know. If they love them partner less, them would have still there with them. Next, having a conversation instead of arguing. Him just always ready for cuss. Honestly, this is so weird because usually a girl say that about male. No, usually a male say that about girls. So them always ready for cuss. But I'm not saying we're gonna in a relationship with somebody who like every minute they get up they want to cuss. We couldn't do that. So I guess ensure that your partner understands that I'm not about cussing. Like you didn't depend about cussing. That's okay. Like it's okay to tell your partner that. So yo, when they depend about cussing with a big man, so cut it out. Cut out the foolishness. You see me? Next, maturity. Makes sense. We all need mature people in our lives. Makes sense. Taking cues. Taking cues, bracket, red flags. So, taking cues from the first go. So, the person basically tell me, say, yo, well, what I am getting from it, not sure about you, but what I am getting from it is that from you see a red flag, is either you left, or you can tell the person, say, yo, that not gonna work. This not gonna work. This year have to change. You see me? That's an option also. Next person said, God. with Christ in the vessel, we can smile at the storm. You need more God in a relationship. That's how you save your relationship. That's how you keep your partner, the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ himself. Amen. Next, communication. I feel like that's a given. Like from the get-go, you need to have a foundation built on communication. Because like you can't understand or go understand. Remember, everybody different, you know. So if you want to keep your partner, communicate with them. Make them know, say, yo, A different from B, or C different from B. You know, like just tell them the full 100. Say, yo, this is who I am. Love me for who I am. Period. Next, if I had spent more time with her, I wouldn't lose the girl I care about. Damn. And on that note, I have to say, guys, thank you so much for participating. I feel good every time I put out something like this on my IG. I get more responses and I appreciate it. You see me? Thanks for participating. Thanks for helping me to make this happen. Because this one clearly is really personal. And thanks for sharing, my G. Thanks for sharing. So yeah. And as a person who's one of my love languages are one of my love languages is one of my damn. Let's go again. One of my love languages is quality time. So I feel like this is important, you know. Spend more time with your spouse when you can. If you're in a long distance relationship, go up on video calls more. I don't know, I couldn't be in a long distance relationship, so however I want to work out that, big up on yourself. Next, if not listening to friends and just timing for the next one. Okay, so I guess if the person, your spouse, never just listen to friends. Guys, I've been meaning to address this. Guys, don't take advice from your single friend them. You can't take relationship advice from your single friend them, because clearly they are single for a reason. Things just now work out for them. So you can't take up your good relationship, so you have to take advice from somebody who don't know how to maintain or keep or sustain a relationship. It no make no sense to me. Take advice from married people. You see me? Because them know the trials and tribulations that come with relationships. So yeah, if she never listen to her friend, then you assume to the person you say. And the next one is just, just timing. I don't know what that means, G. But just timing. Being open and honest about serious issues. Yeah, we have, like, somehow we are joker, like myself. We laugh about serious shit. But being open and honest about serious situations or serious issues, if you want to save a relationship, take your partner seriously. That's what I'm getting from this. Space. As in, space could have saved your last relationship. As in more space. Probably this person was clingy, you know? Because I don't want to say nobody like somebody with too clingy. Because some persons genuinely, that's what they want. Like, some persons genuinely want somebody to be like attached to them. But like, I don't know, space could have saved your last relationship. I don't know how to explain that one, but space. Next, we said communication already. Next, being being able to properly, or at least not be lazy. You heard it here, folks. If you want to save your relationship, you have to be able to properly. Moving on quickly. Honesty, trust, and openness. I'm big on openness, so I can relate with this person. Yeah, I can relate with you, my G. Openness, like, be open with like everything, anything. Because I just believe that if you're truly in love with somebody, there are a lot of things you're willing to accept. Clearly, you can't accept everything, you see me? But there are a lot of things you are willing to accept if you're in love with someone. So, openness, trust, naturally. I feel like not even just relationship, but that's like friendships, everything. You need trust, dog. And honesty. We said that already. Oh. This person relationship could have been saved if them gal are not being wicked. Oh, them gal are not being wicked could have saved your past relationship. Just stop there with wicked gal. I mean, even people do this. Stop there with wicked gal. Sometimes you can't wait. Sometimes you can't see it. Sometimes you can't see it. Sometimes them are snaking at the grass. Are we stinging at your? Sometimes them tricky. Them crafty. You see me? So I can't even say, yo, you could have see it, bro. When you see it, run. Like when you see wicked gal, run. But it's kind of hard because wicked gal fun. But when you see wicked gal, you have to run. Whether in the night or you can see the sun. I'm on a roll and now I'm done. Yo, Jesus. Yo, they be sign me, no? Ramesh. Anybody, sign me. Me an artist. Clearly. The person in a relationship could have been saved if him never have two gal. And I just say that. If you never have two gal, your relationship could have saved. That's the only thing about the relationship. So don't have two gal. Don't. Alright, let me explain. You see me? Man them. Ladies, if y'all watch this, you see me? Don't cuss me. But man them. If you have style with the craft, dog, you can't just give on weird. You see me? You not give on weird, brother. You can't give on. I ain't make one of the girl them know. Say, yo, Moa, I know you're the wife, you know. You see me? Like, them have to know, dog. I'm telling about communication, dog. Every relationship have to have communication, even if it's a side chick. You have to make sure you know, say, Mama, you're my side chick. Your side chick can't want to meet your mother. You're mad. Your side chick have to know, say, yo, more while. I just carry me and meet you up, you know. Like, you can't come to my house like that. You see me? The wife now meet your mother, come to family reunions. Them vibes there. But you can't make it two of them feel like your wife. Remember, say with relationship come responsibilities, you know, brother. You don't want so much responsibilities. What if it's at school youth and you have to, no, brother, you have to focus on your book. You can't just have two girls on my G. You have to smart up with the thing, brother. You see me? Next. Nothing. The boy did mad. Nothing could save the relationship, but the boy did mad. He's a mad boy should have deal with. Nothing could save a relationship. Ladies, like this video right now if you're there with a madman, or you did there with a madman, or a madman passed your life at some point in time. If somebody did mad in your life, like the video and tell me down below what him do. You see me? Tell me down below in the comment section what him do. We make you say, no sir, the boy are mad. So, nothing could save a relationship, yo. The boy did mad. So if you want to save your relationship, people, don't be mad. Simple. Don't be mad. And if you're mad and there with somebody who mad, left. It now go work. One hour and a half be good. 1 hour and a half it can benefit the other one. It totally can't mad. It don't make no sense. So if you say, yeah, your girl mad, toxic. Toxic, brother. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense, bro. Totally can't mad. So yeah, the boy didn't mad. So the relationship never work out. Next, talking up regardless of what you think your partner might do or say. Oh, that's facts. That's facts, brother. Like, talk up regardless. Because as me say, you have to make your partner know where you're there. Like, mentally, where you're there. If you do something wrong, it sounds hard, but if you do something wrong, if you like to affect your partner, tell your partner because you'd rather she hear it from you or him hear it from you than somebody else. You see me? So yeah, like, just tell your partner, talk to your partner about stuff. Be honest, regardless of what you think the outcome is. Just, honesty is the best policy, my G. And with that being said, that's the last one. Thanks again for participating, everybody. This is Howard from Howard's World. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. Me gone.